observable or established in the patterning of the universe itself. Huh?
Yes,
according to the teachings of Allah in this holy book.
Yes, sir.
Says Deen and Fitrah, the religion of originality. It is a religion of originality. It is a religion of the original life creation that God intended. The religion of Fitrah. And Leti, the one that he fatara nas alayha. Huh?
Yes, sir.
He patterned man on it originally. Fatara nas. The original pattern which he gave man, upon which man was established. Yes, sir. That's the Deen.
Yes, sir.
That's al-Islam. That's al-Islam. Now, we're not trying to argue with that. We know that our individual life, that the human being's life is not more consequential and not greater as an influence than the total environment itself. No. We ourselves have been evolved upon the pattern that God put in the environment. The universal order of this world. Huh? Yes. But nevertheless, if we believe in Allah, who created this, and we follow His word, then we're in a situation to manage this. Now it's not too big for us. Huh? Now it's not too big for us, because we are not meeting it alone. We are meeting it with Allah and with Allah's word and with Allah's plan. Therefore now the inferior is put in a good situation to take advantage of the superior. The environment is superior to me, but with the word of Allah, with faith in Him and His word, the environment now is not too big for me. For that reason Allah says, if you will come to Him, be quick for forgiveness from Him. He will give you the skies and the earth to cultivate. Oh, Brother Imam, how are we going to cultivate the sky and the earth? Well, the white man is on his way. He's on his way, I don't know. But the white man is on his way.
Yes, sir.
And the black man used to do a little cultivating in the heavens too. And he did one time, he used to cultivate in the sky. He had his flower up there in the sky. He used to make nice furrows, etc. in the sky. Used to grow very nice crops in the sky. In the sky of his potential. But now he can't even get his feet clean. That's right. Bad shape now. He can't perceive his great capacity, his great potential, and where really he should be motivated. He can't perceive it, and will never perceive it without the guidance of Allah. Yeah. Next we want to go to the religion, Islam. Al-Islam. God says of Al-Islam that it is Deen al-Fitrah. Deen al-Fitrah. فطرة التي فطر الناس عليها. It is the religion of Fitrah. And the translators will give their translation, their word for English word for Fitrah. But let us find out the word for Fitrah. God says of Himself that He is the one who fattara samawati wal ard. From the same word just used as a verb. He is the one that fattara samawati wal ard. He is the one who originated the skies and earth, or the heavens and earth. Fattara samawati wal ard. And it says of God in the whole Qur'an that He is the Fatir. Al-Fatir. He is the originator. And God puts the question to a man who's wants to question what God revealed and wants to question his messenger Muhammad, or wants to question what Muhammad is teaching them. They owe you question God. Why don't you question your own creation? You question God and neglect or fail to question your own creation. How did you get here? You're in the dark. You don't know. You only have guesses. You only have theories. You have no concrete proof. So you don't even know your own beginning, and you're going to question how God began. And you have questions for God, and you forget to question your own creation. It is wonderful. So plain, so logical, so rational, so factual. Now, I know you perhaps have never heard an expression like that, so factual. I said that for some of my friends too, who used to put all their faith in the actual facts. And they were actually